Walaikum Assalam.
How are you, beta?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay, describe your school.
Describing school. School is the place where we study and we learn about life. We learn discipline. We learn ethics. The most important thing is ethics that we learn from our school. And discipline is more important discipline is more important in school activities because discipline help us in the success of our life. School is very beautiful place if we have love with it. And
Okay.
school uh,
And what about your school?
my school is also very good and it is the biggest and successful school in our society. Our highest mark are 513 in 2025 board examination.
Okay.
Our school principal name is Sir Naim and he is a nice person. He provided us all facilities in our school like chemical lab, library, and also a computer lab and a beautiful canteen.
Thank you.